Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today I will teach you guys the 360-degree top rock tutorial. The very first one I will show you guys the front step, and the second one I will show you guys the Indian step. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming up from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the 360-degree top rock tutorial. Now the first one, we start from the front step. If you're not familiar with front step, this is how the front step looks. Now we're gonna start doing one front step. I'm gonna use my right leg as a leading leg, so my right leg is gonna go to the front. So here we go, front step. Now I'm gonna switch to my other leg, but this time we're gonna add in the 360-degree turn, and then we're gonna go to the other leg. Alright, so now my right leg is gonna swing, go to the back. I'm gonna add in a jump. Alright, one more time. Right in the front, jump. Okay, remember when you pull your right leg back, you want to add in a jump. Now after you add in a jump, you want to spin and turn. This is how it looks. As you can see, while I'm doing the jump, I try to give more energy to the jump so that when I get higher, I have more time to turn. So don't just do the jump for the sake of doing the jump. Alright? Put some effort, put some power onto it so that you have more time to turn and spin to go to the next step. After the jump, you turn, and now it's time to back to the front step with your other leg. If you're just doing this move for the very first time, there might be a lot of questions coming to your mind, but the number of questions that I get a lot of people asking me is, how do I turn 360 degree? Alright, it sounds easy, but while you're doing it, some people just turn like 180 degrees or 300 degrees. It's not a full turn. So that's why sometimes when they land to the next step, they not land perfectly onto the front, instead they land to the side here. Alright, so there's the tips here. While you jump and turn, while you're about to do the finish pose or do the final pose, make sure that while you turn, use your right foot to help you with the spin. Okay, so look at closely while I'm doing this move. After the jump, my right foot still turning, and I make sure that when it's about to hit to the middle or to the full spin, I'm going to stop and pause so that I do the next step or the final front step with my other leg. Okay, so now look at my right leg, my right foot. First front step, look carefully. There's the moment where my right foot spin, and it really helped me to build up the momentum so that my 360 spin is perfect, landing to the front. Okay, instead landing to the side. That is why after doing the jump, make sure that your right foot is leading you, spin, and then after it's about to hit to the front again, which is a full spin, then stop it and do the front step. Next step we're gonna do is a 360-degree Indian step. This is how the normal Indian step looks like. Alright, so now we're gonna add in the 360-degree turn onto this move. Just start from one Indian step. Alright, one normal Indian step, kick, Indian step. Now from here, I'm gonna kick the bending leg to the back. Alright, so it's not to the front. It's not like usual kick to the front and do the Indian step. For this one here, you want to kick this to the back. So just remember, no bending step, and to the second step, which is the kicking leg, just remember to kick to the back. Alright, something like this. Kick. After kicking to the back, now it's time to turn and back to the front again. Alright, so what you want to do now is try to add in a jump and use your upper body to turn your body back to the front. So now I'm going to show you guys slowly. No bending step, kick to the back. You can see after the steps here, after the kicking step, you're going to place your left leg back to the ground again. So to facing the positions here, what you want to do is placing your kicking leg, which is your left leg, back to the left side. Alright? And now the final step is your right leg is going to come back to the front. So just place it here. Kick, kick. So kick to the back and place the kicking leg facing this side here, and now finish your this step back to the front.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Even though it's a Toprock tutorial, always make sure you warm up first. Alright, don't underestimate the Toprock, because some people think that Toprock is not that dangerous. You can always do Toprock without warm up. But for this Toprock, it's a 360-degree spin. There's a lot of pulling or turning, spinning, so make sure you are warming up very good first, and then try out this tutorial. Alright, so there you go, the 360-degree Toprock. Just clean up first, make sure you're comfortable with this move, and then add it into your set. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time.